Einstein once said that all scientific theories, leaving aside their mathematical expressions, ought to lead themselves to so simple a description that even a child could understand them. And Isaac Newton's declaration, nature is pleased with simplicity. And of course, Occam's razor, wherever two or more explanations exist for a given phenomena, the simpler one is generally preferable. In the understanding of these sayings, I have taken some complex items and tried to explain them using simple language. I do not wish to insult the intellectual, but I do want the common reader to be able to comprehend my thoughts on physics. Thank you. One of my objectives is to teach alternative information so that you'll have another set of data to test the data that is currently accepted as the standard. It is hoped that you will come up with ideas that are closer to the truth by contributing to the solution. I will have achieved what I set out to do if I can teach in a manner that stimulates critical thinking. Einstein once said, "The value of college education is not the learning of many facts, but the training of the mind to think." I try to set my classes up like a college class, therefore there'll be some reading involved. The next several slides will last 10 seconds. You can pause and continue at your own pace until you get to the summary. Thank you. One thing that is being taught today is a thing called superposition. For example, the electron is both spin up and spin down at the same time, and only when the electron is observed is it determined to be up or down. The observer determines the reality. Now, one of the proponents of this and a superstar for quantum physics was Niels Bohr. And the other person that questioned it was actually Albert Einstein. He said there had to be some kind of an underlying value, underlying reality to things. So what I thought I'd do is a little thought experiment. Let's suppose that they both go to the International Space Station and they're in a chamber with no windows and only one door. The door is perfectly square with a knob in the center, so you can't tell which is up or which is down. Now, Niels Bohr is and Einstein are head to head as illustrated here. And what they're told is that in a second, an electron is going to come before you, and you both determine whether it's spin up or is it spin down. So when the electron pops up, Niels Bohr says it's spin down, and Einstein says it's spin up. From their perspective, they are both right. However, neither changes the reality. The electron is just is. Their perspective is only an aspect of the absolute reality. In Newton's absolute reality, which Einstein later realized, that I believe is true. There was a man by the name of Paul Harvey who used to end his broadcast by saying, "And now you know the rest of the story." Well, for me, I'll end my lessons by stating, "And now you know more of the story." Stay tuned. This is John McCamick with Truth University. Good day.